Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Good day to all employers. My name is Ronaldine Kagurangan. I'm 24 years old and I was born on September 8, 1999. Single and I have 3 years old son. We have 5 siblings in the family, 4 sisters and 1 brother. I am a senior high school graduate and I have completed my vocational course major in housekeeping. I have experience here in the Philippines as a domestic helper for almost 3 years, from July 10, 2017 to July 28, 2020. I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adults, the husband and wife, and 1 loving son. I know household chores like cleaning, washing the clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and also taking care of kids. I am a responsible, hardworking, and honest person. If you choose me, I will promise to serve you well. Thank you and God bless.